Hi Aptitutors. In previous videos, we've looked at how you can create formative assessments using Google Forms, how you can create icons and house those forms on the home screen of your iPads. We've also looked at how you can create video content using the Telegami app and then move that video content from your photo roll to iMovie to your YouTube channel so that you can then embed it in other useful places. Now I'm going to show you how you can put all this together by embedding a YouTube video in a Google form and then having your students respond to it in a variety of ways. One caveat here is that I'm going to do this within my personal Google account. I've been successful about 50% of the time embedding video in my APS account, but I haven't had any difficulties at all in my personal account. So I'm going to show you how to do it in this one. Worst case scenario, if you have some difficulty in your APS account, you can always set up a teacher account, a personal account, and use that to embed the video. So here we go. I'm going to hit the create button, and we're going to create a form. And I'm going to title this prefix video, and I'm going to hit the default option for the theme. First question, as usual, is I want to know what my respondent's name is. So I'm going to say, what is your name? Question mark. And I'm going to make this a text box and a required question. Then I am going to hit this drop-down menu next to Add Item, and I'm going to go over here to Video. This is how you embed the YouTube video. I'm going to hit Video. You have the choice of either searching for the video title or pasting the URL in. I'm going to go grab the URL of the Telegami video I made that teaches the prefix under. I'm going to grab the URL and I'm going to take it, paste it into this box. There's a preview, so I know it's the right video, and then I'm going to hit select. Now I get to give this video a title. I'm going to go call it Growing Words Under Prefix. And then I'm going to hit done. So now the video is embedded in the form. And here's how you can have your student now respond to that form. So I have these various options for question types: paragraph, text, multiple choice, checkboxes, choose from a list. I'm going to go ahead and create a multiple choice question here. And I want to gauge my students' understanding of the word prefix when it's applied in specific context. So I'm going to say, what is the meaning of the prefix under when it is used in the words underline, underground, and underwater? And I'm going to make this a multiple choice question. The first option will be it means less than or too little. My section option will be it means before. My third option will be it means below. And then I'll add other, so they have the option of filling in another choice if they think those answers aren't correct. Okay, I'm going to make it a required question, so they have to answer it to submit the form, and then I'm going to hit done. Okay, now I can continue to add items with the various question types, as many as I'd like. And the great thing about this is if a kid does not get the question right or doesn't know the answer to the question, they always have the option of going back to review the video. So I'm going to stop right there and say we're just going to publish this form. And so I'm going to make sure I click the show link to submit another response at the bottom so that kids can submit another response if they make an error. And then I'm going to hit the send form to activate the form. And this is the URL here, so I can grab this URL. I can also put it into the Google URL shortener to make it smaller to share with my students. But I'm going to grab this long form right now and go to another window and pop it in. And there you are. So what is your name? Josh. And then I click here to watch the video. And then after I've watched the video, what is the meaning of the prefix under when it's using the word underline, underground, and underwater? And then I have to make my choice. Of course, the correct answer is below, and I'm going to submit my response. Okay, and now I can go back to my form and go up to responses. In the summary of responses, you will see what I had to say, and then I can also look at my responses in table form or spreadsheet form. So I'm going to go to choose response destination, new spreadsheet, create, and it's going to set up my spreadsheet, which right now will only have one entry in it. And once that publishes, I can view my responses in spreadsheet form. And yeah, so there you go. So now my responses have populated the form. The great thing about this, though, is because it's in the spreadsheet, it is sortable. And so you can do some interesting things with sorting the data. And it also helps you identify strengths and areas of need.